So I checked out QCWin.cc online to see if it's a legitimate crypto casino or something else. And here's the honest truth. QCWins.cc markets itself as a high-paying, decentralized crypto gambling platform offering big sign-up bonuses and casino games like slots, Crash, Dice, and Plinko. The homepage and ads often show unrealistically large rewards and may mention celebrity founders or promo codes that promises free money. What I've found during the testing, when you dig into independent reviews and trust score sites, QCWin.cc shows multiple high-risk red flag. Safety scanners and scam detectors rate the site very poorly, low to near zero trust scores because of suspicious activity patterns and limited transparency. Users on Trustpilot are overwhelmingly negative. The site's trust score is around 2.2 out of 5, with all published reviews so far being 1 star and describing it as a scammers who steal information or funds. Overall, there is no credible evidence of licensing's verified payouts or responsible crypto gambling practices. On the surface, the website looks professionally designed and offers a variety of game categories. But the problem, low trust score and scam reports multiple analysis tools give QCWin.cc an extremely low trust rating with scores as low as 1% or flagged as high risk or unsafe. Phishing indicators. Grindinsoft classifies that site as potential phishing designed to trick users into sharing personal or financial info. Withdrawals issue. Scams investigations show users may be allowed to play with bonus credits, then pressured into depositing more money before any withdrawal. A classic bait and switch tactic. There's no verified licensing registration or official backing, making it hard to hold anyone accountable. Trustpilot reviews report warnings about stolen information and money lost to withdrawal traps. QCWin.cc does not appear to be a legitimate crypto gambling platform. Independent safety tools, scam review sites, and user reviews all point to unsafe practices, phishing risk, and classic scam patterns. It's best to avoid using this site and stick to established regulated crypto casinos if you want to gamble online. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.